Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my class. This is Muhammad Rafiqul Islam, lecturer of mathematics and public school and college Saidpur. Today I will discuss two theorem on chapter 6. That is, today I will solve two exercise. I have written one. First, I am reading this chapter 6, question number 16. In the figure, in triangle ABC, B is equal to one right angle. D is the midpoint of the hypotenuse AC. Here angle B is equal to one right angle. We know the opposite sides of 90 degree is called a hypotenuse. Here AC hypotenuse. Prove that BD is equal to a half AC. First, I am drawing the figure again. Here A, B, C. Be a triangle. The measure of angle B is equal to one right angle, that is 90 degree. So here AC hypotenuse, D is the midpoint of AC. So the construction is needed because we have to prove here PD is equal to half AC. Let E and F are two midpoints of BC and AB respectively. DE and DF is joined. Okay, I am writing construction first. Let E and F are the midpoints of BC and AB respectively. D, E and D, F is joined. Prove here, since F is the midpoint of AB and D is the midpoint of AC. So the line segment joining the points F and D, that is FD, will be parallel to BC, because we know according to theorem 15, if the line segment joining the midpoints of any two sides of a triangle is parallel to the third side, in length it is half. That is, here FD and BC, this will be parallel. Similarly, DE is parallel to AB because D is the midpoints of AC and E is the midpoints of BC. The line segment FD joining the midpoints of AB and AC. So we can tell easily FD is parallel to BC. Similarly, we can write here DE is parallel to AB. Similarly, since here FD and BC parallel. Suppose that AB is their transversal, so angle ABC is corresponding angle of AFD. Since here the measure of angle ABC, that's B, is one right angle, so angle AFD, this will be one right angle. This will be one right angle. So AFD is equal to ABC because they are corresponding angle. Corresponding angle. Since here ABC is equal to 90 degree, so AFD will be one right angle. And angle BFD is also one right angle. One right angle. Between two triangle here AFD and BFD, we can tell easily AF is equal to BF because F is the midpoint of AB and FD will be the common side of these two triangle, and angle AFD is equal to BFD because they are right angle. So we can tell easily these two triangles are congruent to each other, that is AD is equal to BD. We can write easily. Between two triangles, triangle AFD and triangle BFD, where AF is equal to BF because F is the midpoint of AB. FD is equal to FD. They are common side. And angle AFD is equal to angle BFD. You know this is 90 degree. According to side angle side theorem, we can tell these two triangles are congruent. That is AFD is congruent to triangle BFD. Since triangle AFD and triangle BFD, these two are right angle triangle, so we can prove another way. Hypotenuse and one side is equal to the hypotenuse and one side of another triangles. If we can prove, then these two triangles will be congruent to each other. Okay. Now, since here triangle AFD and triangle BFD, these two are congruent to each other, so we can tell easily here AD is equal to BD. Similarly, we know here DE parallel to AB. Since here AB is equal to 90 degree, so the measure this angle DEC and DEB will be one right angle. Since DE parallel to AB So here DEC is equal to DEB is equal to one right angle. Between two triangle here, DEC and triangle DEB, EC is equal to BE because we told is the midpoint of ABC. DE is equal to DE, common side of these two triangle, and angle DEC is equal to DEB. We know this is 90 degree, so triangle DEC is congruent to triangle DEB. That is here DC is equal to BD. So here AD is equal to BD and DC is equal to BD. We can write here AD is equal to BD is equal to DC. We know AD plus DC is equal to AC. Here AD is equal to BD and DC is equal to BD, or 2BD is equal to AC. Therefore, BD is equal to half AC. The proof is completed. Here 16. Now 17. First I am writing this question. In triangle ABC, AB is greater than AC and bisector of angle A is AD, which intersect side BC at D. Prove that angle ADB is obtuse angle. I am reading this again. In triangle ABC, here AB is greater than AC and bisector of angle A is AD, which intersect side BC at D. We will prove angle ADB is obtuse angle. We know if the measure of angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, this is obtuse angle. According to above information, first I am drawing figure. Since here AB is greater than AC and AD is the bisector, of angle A, that is here angle BAD is equal to angle CAD. In triangle ABD, we know the sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So angle BAD plus angle ABD plus angle ADB is equal to 180 degree, or PAD plus ABD is equal to 180 minus ADB. Suppose our equation number 1. Again, for triangle ACD, the sum of three angles of this triangle is 180 degree. CAD plus ACD plus ADC is equal to 180 degree, or CAD plus ACD is equal to 180 minus ADC. And this is question number 2. Since given AB is greater than AC, since here AB is greater than AC, the opposite angle of greater side AB is greater the angle of opposite side of lesser side. So since here AB is greater than AC, so the opposite angle of AB here ACB will be greater than the lesser side here AC, whose opposite angle, that is here ABC, or ACB. We can write here ACD and ABC, this is ABD. Since angle CAD and BAD, these two are equal because AD is the bisector of angle AD. So this equal angle, if we add both sides of angle ACD is greater than ABD, then we get angle ACD CAD is greater than BAD plus ABD. Here in equation 2, we are seeing angle CAD plus angle ACD. Angle CAD plus ACD is equal to 180 minus ADC. 180 minus angle ADC, and angle here BAD plus ABD, BAD plus ABD from equation 1 we see this is equal to 180 minus ADB. Using 1 and 2, using equation 1 and 2. So here 180 and 180, these two are equal. We can omit on both sides, then we get angle ADC is greater than minus angle ADB. And minus minus, if we multiply both sides by minus, it will be here angle ADC is greater than angle ADB. Therefore, ADB, this angle is greater than ADC. Since the sum of angle ADB plus ADC is equal to 180 degree, because here angle ADB and ADC, these two are adjacent angle. So the angle of ADB, this will be greater than of 90 degree and less than of 180 degree. Therefore, angle ADB is obtuse angle. Here angle ADB is obtuse angle. The proof is completed. Thanks for watching my class.